All right, so um, I kind of want to start vlogging again. Um, I don't know what exactly I want to vlog, but I know that I want to vlog, if that makes sense. So I have a couple of ideas for different types of vlogs that I want to do. And here's the thing. I don't really want to spend time editing. More specifically, I don't want to have to transfer the clips from my phone where I'm recording it over to my PC, so I can edit all of that into one long clip, one long video, and then upload it. So instead, I want to try using this pause feature that phone cameras have when you're recording a video, and I'll do my jump cuts in that way. Um, this specific vlog is more of an intro. There isn't anything specific that I want to talk about. It's mainly just, hey, I'm gonna start vlogging, and that's about it. Another thing is, I had to clean up a little bit, um, because there's two reasons that I don't often wave my camera around in my room. It's because one, there might be a bit of a mess. I'm okay with the mess to a certain extent, and I clean it up um, whenever I feel like it. So eventually, it does get clean. It's not like it's super dirty. It's just that I don't really want to point a camera at that. That's one reason. Another reason is because, and this is one of the main reasons actually, it's the fact that sometimes I might leave some sensitive information around, or I might leave something around that I might not necessarily want showing up on camera, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. Uh, but yeah. Um, I did my best to clean and clear up the areas that I'm going to be showing right now. So I'm going to do a couple of jump cuts, mainly just to show the four monitors and show like the different things that are going on. You can already see a little bit of each of the screens because I've been moving the camera back slowly as I've been recording. Oh, another thing is, I'm usually when I'm streaming, I'm close to the mic, right? Here, I'm holding my phone, and so the camera is gonna be, um, it's gonna be as close to me as. Sorry, did I say the camera? The microphone. The microphone that's recording my audio is gonna be as close to me as the camera is. So if I'm, for example, like far away from the camera, like right now, I think the difference in the volume, you can make it out. But yeah, if I'm far away from the camera, then um, my audio is going to come in very quiet. So I need to watch out for that as well. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple of jump cuts just to show the screens, and then we'll see where to go from there. All right, so this is one of my machines. This is a laptop on which I have Ubuntu installed, and right now I have a Rust project open in NeoVim. This is a QR code project that I was working on. It's great because there's a QR code library that you can use, or a QR code crate that you can use to um, generate a QR code, and there's a bit of extra code that I added there to read read the text from a file and pass that into the QR code function. Okay, then up here I have also NeoVim open, but this is on another machine. And the interesting thing is, what you're seeing here is actually NeoVim running inside Tmux. I'm SSH'd from this machine, the monitor that you're looking at right now, I'm SSH'd into another machine, which I'm going to show you next, and the entire tmux session is running on that other machine, but I'm able to control all of it from this machine, which is great. It's amazing. This way, I'm actually able to host multiple tmux sessions on one machine, but then access those sessions from other machines, and I have multiple. I have a that way I can have like a multi-monitor kind of setup. Oh, it went off. Alright, so unfortunately I accidentally hit the stop button instead of the pause button. Or maybe something else happened because of which the recording stopped, but I'm gonna have to stitch both of these videos together. I'll have to find a way to do that. But yeah, so continuing on, this is the machine on which, this is another one of my machines. This machine also has Ubuntu running, and this is where I have all of my tmux sessions hosted. I also use this machine for other stuff, but mainly I have my tmux sessions hosted here, and most of the time I'm SSHing into this machine from other machines, so I can do various types of work. Often it's coding stuff. But yeah, this is my other machine. What you're looking at right now is btop running on this machine. Btop is essentially a terminal-based task manager. You can call it. It's a process monitor kind of thing. It gives you a bunch of different stats. It shows you, various processes that are running. It shows you your CPU usage, your memory usage, and other stuff like that. Okay, on to the next machine. Okay, this is the next machine. There isn't really too much to look at here, but right now I'm watching one of Zentrea's streams. She's doing a collab with someone, with a couple of people. This is my, let's call it entertainment machine. On this machine, okay, believe it or not, this machine actually has close to 2 decades old hardware. This machine has close to 20-year-old hardware on it, and it's got a dual core CPU and 2 GB of DDR2 RAM. So this is like old hardware. And I've installed Ubuntu Studio here, and for instead of using the KDE Plasma desktop environment, because I found that to be a little slow for this old hardware, what I'm using is the i3 window manager. Switching to i3 window manager has actually helped a lot. Things do tend to slow down every now and then, even with i3 window manager, but then this is old hardware, so I'm not really expecting too much high speed out of it. It gets the job done. I'm able to watch Twitch on here. I'm able to watch Netflix on here. Every now and then I'll watch some YouTube videos on here. But yeah, this is the entertainment machine. Okay, and finally, this is my breadboard. I guess I can bring it closer. Yeah, this is my breadboard with my ESP32. This is also something that I do in my free time. I like learning about the ESP32 and learning how to make various ESP32 based projects. That's actually something that I'm doing on stream right now. Actually, not right now. Right now, we are currently learning Git stuff. We are focusing on stuff like remotes and branches and stuff like that. But yeah. I'm planning on doing ESP32 based projects as well. Now, going back to what I was talking about with vlogging, the thing is, Hold on. Okay. So, back to what I was saying about vlogging. Now, the thing is, when it comes to projects, I like if the vlogs are focused on the projects, then I would prefer for there to be a start and an end point, if that makes sense. Like, okay, I've started this project, and the entire series is going to be about that project. Every vlog that I make in that series is going to be about that project. And at some point, that project is going to end, and I will move on to another project after that. Right? And just like that, I can have multiple projects that I work on, and I can make vlogs out of that. Um, but additionally, I also want to do just regular vlogs which don't really have a start and an end point, so necessarily there isn't necessarily a focus, if that makes sense. There isn't one thing that's being focused on there. It's not focused on a specific project or a specific thing that I'm currently learning, because I'm always learning things. You'll see that during the vlogs, actually. I'm always learning something or the other. I'm always building something or the other. I'm always busy with projects and studies. But yeah, with the regular vlogs, I don't think there's going to be a start and an end point. They're just going to be regular vlogs that, yeah, this is what I'm up to, this is the stuff that I've been working on, and that's about it. And I want to try my best to do all of the jump cuts that I'm going to be doing within the same video. That's something I want to get better at. I also need to be careful, not to accidentally stop the recording like I did earlier in this video. I'll have to find a way to stitch it. For this specific situation, I think I can send both of the clips to my PC and then stitch them using FFmpeg, and then upload that. But yeah, okay, if I remember the time, by now we must be at 10 or 11 minutes in total, because the previous clip was already at like what, 3 to 4 minutes when I'd started recording. I don't remember what the time was, but yeah, it should be anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes, this first clip. Yeah, that's it. So let's see how this vlogging thing goes. Should I do like an outro for this? I do outros for my streams. I used to do outros when I used to make Unity tutorials on YouTube. I don't know. I guess, yeah, okay, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.